Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Today, I want to talk about shopping and consumption. I have many experiences to share about buying clothes, food, and other items. I also want to share my thoughts on prices and product quality. What do you think about shopping?
I think shopping is an important part of our daily life. We all need to buy things for our home, for our clothes, and even for our hobbies. I like shopping when I can find good deals and quality products.
Yes, I agree. I like to plan my shopping carefully. Sometimes I visit many shops and compare prices before I decide what to buy.
That is a good idea. I also check the prices and look for discounts. I like to buy products that are both affordable and of good quality.
Let's talk about our shopping experiences. Ben, can you tell me about a recent shopping trip you had?
Sure, Alice. Last weekend, I went to a large shopping mall. I needed to buy a new pair of shoes and a t-shirt. I visited 3 different shops. I first went to a store that had many shoes on sale. I found a pair of sneakers that cost $30. I think they were a good price.
That sounds great. I also went shopping last week. I went to a local market to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. I also bought a new jacket because it was a bit cold.
Local markets are nice. They have fresh food, and the prices are often lower. What did your jacket cost?
My jacket cost $50. It is not very expensive, but I think it is of good quality. I like it because it is warm and comfortable.
I like when items are both affordable and good quality. Sometimes I spend more money on items that will last a long time.
Yes, quality is very important. I always ask, is this item durable? Or will this last long? Before I buy it.
I do that too. I read the labels and check the material. I look for reviews if I shop online. It helps me decide if the product is worth the price.
Speaking of shopping online, I sometimes buy items on the internet. It is very convenient, but sometimes I worry about the quality.
I understand. Online shopping is fast and easy, but you cannot touch or try the product. I like to read customer reviews before I make a purchase.
Yes, reviews are useful. I always check if other buyers are happy with the product. I also look for clear pictures.
Sometimes I compare 2 similar products online. For example, if I want to buy a t-shirt, I compare the prices, sizes, and quality from different sellers.
I do that too. I believe that comparison helps me get the best deal. I sometimes even wait for a sale if the price is too high.
Sales are great. I love the discount days. When there is a sale, I try to buy things that I need, like clothes or small gadgets.
Yes, I wait for discount periods. It makes shopping more fun when you can save money. I also like to use discount codes.
Sometimes I try to bargain in small local markets. I ask, can you lower the price a little? If I am polite, the seller may give a small discount.
Bargaining is common in some shops. I try it sometimes too. Even a few dollars off can make a difference.
Exactly. It is all part of our personal shopping style. Some people like to shop carefully and save money, while others do not mind spending a bit more for higher quality.
Yes, everyone has a different style. I like to think of my shopping as a way to invest in good products. I prefer quality over quantity.
I agree. I sometimes buy things that cost a little more if I know they will last a long time. For example, I bought a nice pair of shoes that cost $50 and they last for many months.
That is a good approach. I also try to think about how long I will use the item. I do not want to buy something that I will throw away after a few uses.
Our choices also reflect our lifestyle. I prefer simple and practical items. I like things that are easy to use and maintain.
I feel the same. I look for products that are simple with a classic design. I do not like very trendy items that go out of style quickly.
Style is important too. I think a good style means the product looks nice and is useful at the same time.
Yes, style and functionality go together. For example, my new jacket is not only warm, but also looks modern.
I like that idea. I try to choose products that fit my daily life. I do not need very fancy items. I need things that work well for me.
Let's talk more about our shopping habits. Do you plan your shopping lists ahead of time, Ben?
Yes, I do. Every week, I write down the things I need to buy. It helps me avoid buying things I do not need. I write a list of groceries, clothes, and sometimes small gadgets.
I also make a shopping list. It saves time and money. I always plan my meals for the week and then write down the ingredients I need.
Planning is very important. I like to plan my shopping because it makes me feel organized.
I sometimes plan my shopping for special occasions as well. For example, for my birthday, I plan to buy a small gift for myself and a present for my family.
Special occasions are good times to shop. I like to buy gifts during holidays or birthdays. I look for something that is both useful and has a nice design.
I agree. I think gifts should be thoughtful. It is not about spending a lot of money, but about choosing something that the person will like.
Yes, and sometimes I try to make gifts by myself. I like to create simple handmade cards or small crafts.
That is very creative, Ben. Handmade gifts are very special because they show that you care.
I believe that every purchase we make is a choice. It reflects our values and style. I try to choose products that are good for my budget and good for my life.
I think that is true. I try to buy things that are eco-friendly and that do not harm the environment. I sometimes choose local products instead of big brands.
Local products are often very good. They are fresh and help support local businesses. I like to buy fruits and vegetables from the local market because they are fresh and the prices are fair.
I also support local shops. It feels good to know that I am helping my community by buying local products.
Our shopping habits can also be part of a healthy lifestyle. I believe that spending wisely and choosing quality products is important for a balanced life.
Yes, shopping wisely means not wasting money on things you do not need. It also means taking time to look for the best deals and reading reviews.
Reviews are very helpful. I always read what other people say about a product before I buy it. It helps me decide if the product is good.
I do the same. Sometimes I compare two products and look at the ratings. I prefer to buy something with many good reviews, even if it costs a little more.
I agree. I think quality is more important than a very low price. A good product might cost a bit more, but it lasts longer and saves money in the long run.
That is a smart way to think about it. I also think that shopping can be fun when you are with friends. Sometimes I go shopping with my sister or a friend, and we talk about what we like.
Shopping with friends is enjoyable. I often go with my brother or a friend. We share our opinions and help each other choose things.
It also makes the day special. When you shop with someone, you can learn new things and find items that you might not have noticed alone.
Yes, and sometimes we try on clothes together or compare our choices. It is a good way to get honest opinions.
I love that. We sometimes take photos of our new purchases and share them on social media. It is fun to see what others think.
Social media can be a good tool for shopping ideas. I sometimes check Instagram for fashion ideas or look at YouTube videos for product reviews.
I do that too. I follow a few shopping and review channels. They help me learn about new products and sales.
Sales are very exciting. When there is a big sale, I make a list of what I want to buy, and then go to the store quickly before the items sell out.
I love sales too. Sometimes I find a beautiful dress or a nice pair of shoes for a very low price. It feels like winning a little prize.
I also enjoy the thrill of finding a bargain. It makes shopping more fun when you feel like you are saving money.
Do you sometimes shop online, Ben?
Yes, I shop online sometimes because it is very convenient. I can compare prices easily and have the product delivered to my home. However, I still like to visit shops in person when I can try the product.
I agree. Online shopping is fast, but sometimes I want to see and touch the product before I buy it.
It is a balance. I use online shopping for items like books or gadgets. But for clothes or shoes, I prefer to try them on in a store.
That makes sense. I think that our style of shopping depends on the product and our personal preferences.
Yes, every person has a different style. Some people love to shop in big malls, while others prefer small local stores.
I like the idea of small local shops because they often have unique items. I enjoy talking to the shopkeeper and learning about the product.
That is true. In local shops, the shopkeepers are friendly and can help you find what you need. I sometimes get advice from them on which product is the best.
Our conversations about shopping show that we care about quality, price, and style. It is not just about buying things, it is about making smart choices.
I agree, Alice. When we choose carefully, we can save money and also have items that last longer. It is good to be a smart consumer.
I also think that our shopping habits show our personality. I like to choose things that are simple, elegant, and useful.
And I prefer things that are practical and durable. We all have different tastes, and that is what makes shopping interesting.
Thank you for sharing your shopping experiences and ideas with me, Ben. I have learned many new tips today.
Thank you, Alice. I also enjoyed our conversation. Talking about prices, quality, and in style helps me understand my own habits better.
I hope we can talk more about shopping and maybe even go shopping together sometime.
That is a great idea, Alice. Shopping with a friend is always fun. We can compare our choices, look for bargains, and share our opinions.
Yes, I would like that very much. We can plan a day to visit the local market or a big mall and see what new products we can find.
I look forward to that day. Until then, I will keep an eye on sales and try to use my shopping list to buy the best items.
And I will continue to compare prices and read reviews so I can make smart decisions.
Let's promise to share our new shopping experiences with each other. It will help us both learn and save money.
I promise, Ben. I always like to hear your opinions on what is good quality and what is a good deal.
Me too, Alice. Our friendship makes even shopping a fun and educational activity.
Thank you for this long conversation about shopping and consumption. I feel that we have covered many ideas about how to shop wisely.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our talk very much. It reminds me that being a good consumer is about thinking, planning, and sometimes enjoying the hunt for a great bargain.
I agree. I hope we both continue to learn and make smart choices in our shopping.
Absolutely, Alice. Have a great day and happy shopping.
Thank you, Ben. Enjoy your day and see you soon.
See you soon, Alice. Goodbye.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.